If you want to go from this to this, make sure you watch this video. Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and this is Mela, and today we are going to show you how to coordinate your Rumba walks using your feet, knees, and hips. In previous videos, we have spoken about footwork and hip action. We will link those above, but today we will talk about how to coordinate those all together. First, we're gonna start with the preparation of the foot. So as we prepare that left foot, that left ball of the foot is up, and she is going to feel a rotation in her right hip. Her left knee is bent, so we are working in opposition. Very good. One more time. Feet together, and prepare the foot. Hip back, knee forward. Very good. So this is our preparation for our step. Now, Mela's gonna take a step forward, and as she takes the step forward, she has the footwork of ball flat. So let's do that. Ball flat. Very good. That's the front foot. The back foot is going to go up onto the ball of the foot. You can see how her heel is off the ground. She's going to have the heel of the foot up, and she is going to maintain a lift in her right hip. Very good. Let's backtrack. Let's put our feet together. The preparation. Very good. She's going to take that step, maintaining that hip, ball flat in the front, ball in the back, and maintaining the lift in the hip. Very good. Next, she is going to push into the floor using the back of the foot. She's going to go to a toe, and that is going to start her pendulum action forward with that left hip. So let's go back to that ball of the foot. Very good. And she's going to take that from the right hip tilt into the left hip pendulum, creating a straight line over that left foot. Very good. Let's try that one more time. So from the lift into the pendulum, using that back foot all the way up on that toe. Okay, let's backtrack. Here we go. We start feet together. We start preparation. And now taking the step ball flat, peeling the foot, lifting the hip. And now we're going to have a pendulum action up on the toe, hip forward, straight line. Very good. From here, she is going to move that back foot in. As the back foot is brushing in up on a high toe, she is going to bend the knee, feeling the thighs touching, the knees touching, the calf, and the ankle. And as that foot is passing through, she is going to take that left hip and she starts pulling it around into a rotation. Let's try that again. And around into a rotation. Very good. One more time. And around into a rotation. Very good. Let's start from the beginning. We have and preparation, and taking the step, peeling off of the back foot, lift in the hip, pendulum, and pulling the foot through, rotation. Very good. And as she's doing it, you can see that she's keeping her center lifted in and pulled up. So especially, let's go back. That's it. When she starts doing that rotation, we're gonna do it with letting the center go out. So when she does that rotation, if she lets that center go, this is what it's gonna look like. Ready? You see that? This is not in the right place. This is not in the right place. So we wanna make sure we pull that in, maintaining a long line in the spine and pulled up high in the center. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing with the right foot. So she's going to prepare that right foot. Very good. She's gonna brush that forward, very good. Down on the ground, peeling, keeping a lift in that left hip. Now she's going to use that back foot to push into the ground, pendulum the hip forward, pulling the leg into a rotation. Very good. Let's try that one more time. Rewind. And settle, step, keep the lift, pendulum, and pulling the foot in thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and we're back to the beginning. Let us demonstrate how dancing the correct actions in the wrong order will lead to different outcomes. If Mela will delay her step and extend her walk, that could potentially lead to delaying her timing and taking too big of a step. So as you can see, if she extends that, her body weight gets stuck too much in between her feet. And another problem could be that she sets herself up nicely with the step, and instead of using that back foot, transferring and using the hip at the same time, she could potentially just go into the hip action without using that back foot and transferring the weight, which will make her, first of all, lose her center, and it will send her weight backwards. Another mistake could be, instead of using that hip rotation to pull that back foot in, she'll just pull the back foot in and leave the hip where it is. So as you can see, I can do each action correctly, but if I don't put it in the exact order and connect it with each other, I can get a completely different outcome. So make sure you practice that Rumba walk slowly and each action connected with each other. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.